Welcome to another video of JP Pro and
Twix Tricks Card Gaming.
We already had out on JP Pro too. We had already recorded, but it was too big. So, yep. So we will be actually doing airplane tricks. I'm sorry I couldn't show you, but I can show you right now how the airplane actually flies. It's good. Okay, so I'm gonna write the skateboard invention. It's actually just a skateboard with a boogie board. Someone's gonna push me. I'm gonna be first person view.
Whoa.
Caught that.
Okay.
And Epic Car Gaming will do it in third person, I think.
Yeah, I'm riding my bike to get a good shot. If you would get the shots of Isaac or riding, just go over the Epic Car Gaming. So yeah.
There we go. I'm gonna go. Okay, going. Yeah, go. Ah, why is it me? Okay.
Come on. Yeah, I'm holding
Wow. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. It's hard to do with barehanded. Ah. 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 Help. Oh. Help me. Help me, Mom. I'm on here. Yeah. An unfamiliar face.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Well, it looks like you got a bush cancer.
It landed over.
Are we doing it back?
Oh yeah, we can do it back. So do you want to do first person this time, Krish? You want to do first person, and I can do third person? You can do that.
Here. I'm scared.
You can do it.
Can I not do the plane?
Okay, then let's just go to our next activity then.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do trick shots now, and yeah. So yeah. Oh yeah. We tried first trick shot. So this is gonna be recording trick shots. Shots, I mean.
Try it out.
So we're gonna do the slingshot on
Demonstration.
an Epic Car Gaming bike. So he's gonna ride his bike full speed, hold the plane
I
in
thought
one
you
hand,
were-
and he'll let go. And he'll,
Can you?
Yeah, because he has to record and do that.
Yeah,
and
I want to show
barehanded.
my viewers.
Okay, then I will be third person too then. We'll do this in the next episode. Just kidding. I said next episode.
so I'm gonna go get ready at the other side of the lawn.
We are ready. Twix Tricks, are you ready? Go! Sorry we can't see well, but he's bike.
Get faster. Let's go catch some air on that thing.
Okay, he's here.
Bye.
Cool.
Damage.
Nope. Now we're gonna try throwing it to Krush.
Whoa. Hey, can I try yours?
Yeah.
Thanks. Let's try this.
Fails. Nothing but fails. Give me this. Give me this.
Okay.
We're gonna try the no-handed slingshot.
No, we're not doing that.
Alright, let's go. So Twix trick is actually
What about
the light. Oh, if you didn't know, it's actually super sunny outside.
Yeah, it's hard
If you could see, so we're trying our best, but you can see
trying to keep it steady. Here it
the
comes.
Twix trick is
Hey,
right
Twix, you
there.
good?
Okay.
Go, go, go! Sorry? Okay, move, 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 Crush, you're in the middle. Oh, oh!
Twix tricks! Let's go!
Did you see that? Did you just see that? He did the no hand. And the airplane landed perfect. You see why we use this airplane? So what do you have to say of it?
I was surprised I didn't fall off my bike.
Yeah. So yeah. So would that be the end of our video?
Do you have anything else to do?
That'll be the end of part 1.
Yeah, actually, because we're gonna make like a series. Even though I do gaming.
Oh! Wow, that was actually different. Wow. So yeah, so this is gonna be end part of 1. There's gonna be part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, and infinity, I think. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Make sure to subscribe to Epic Card
Epic Card Gaming Encrypted Kid.
and also subscribe to JP Pro and
Well,
tell
don't
us,
subscribe to Encrypted Kid. That's my one game attack. But okay.
and also put in the comments if you want us to do a live stream. Adios amigos.